everyone. Today we are writing the letter V. This is the print video, which means that we are not doing joined up handwriting. If you do joined up handwriting, then head over to my cursive playlist and you will find the video there for the letter V. Right, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to trace it. Then we're going to copy it. Cover it up, no peeking. Finally, pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. And yes, I did have my eyes closed when I wrote that. Keep practicing that as much as you need to until it starts to feel easy to write. And then the next step is to have a go at writing the letter V on a line. So we're going to start roughly at where the middle zone is, sort of the top of the middle zone. You're going to pop your pen or pencil there, go down diagonally and then up again. So we're going to go down and up. Make sure it's going diagonally, not in a sort of a straight line going straight down. And we just keep on going. If you've not got a piece of paper that's got a middle zone on, then what you can actually do is, if you have got a pen, and I'll just show you, a pen that's like this, so it's got quite a thick tip on it, what you can do is you can do a line going along your bottom line. I won't do it on this one because it'll get confusing, but you can draw one and that'll give you a shaded middle zone that you can work from. Or, if you're really good at imagining, you can just imagine where it is. That's fine as well. When you've practiced that and you feel that it's starting to get easier, the next thing you're going to do is have a go at saying the letter sound and the letter name. So V is V, V is V, V is V. And just keep going until you reach the end of that line. There you go. Now it's time for you to be the teacher. Have a look at all of your V's that you've written and tick which one you think is the best. I am going to go for this one. Have you ticked yours? Yeah? Brilliant, that's fantastic. So remember, keep practicing these as much as you need to. Sometimes writing this letter will feel easier than others, and that's okay. But the more you practice, the more your brain and your hand are going to learn the shape of that letter. And in no time, you will be a writing superstar. Thanks for joining me on Vicky's Learning Lab today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will see you again next week. Bye.